The rehab runs continue. Bumblebee connector. It's Bumblebee. Maybe. Zip. Kicked in. Looks like someone's doing really work on that berm there. This one too. Nice. I've got a full thickness tear in my supraspinatus tendon, right shoulder, rotator cuff, from a crash here, maybe from some repetitive strain injuries as well. Work. It feels great today. 4 or 5 weeks of recovery. It's good to ride. Here's the bike crew again, doing loam line.
See you down
See
there.
you there. It's okay to take a couple little hops. Just gonna take it easy. Choose the lines a little more carefully here. Ride the brakes. Low on the knees. Watch the roots. The roots are not necessarily your friends. Oh God, that's evil. Gotta get that fixed. Ooh. Washboard. Roots are the makers of life in the forest, but they make riding a trick. Bumblebee, link in the description. Ooh, a little nervous there on that route. The crash gets into your mind. Difficult part about it, aside from the healing, is the mental game of it. What you once confidently rode, you can't the same way necessarily. So the roots are throwing me off. And that's Bumblebee. Pops back out at the Nevilane parking lot in this crazy subdivision. Ripped into the side of the mountain. There it is. It's like shale rock. Nevilane, Bumblebee. Oh, that was nice to be back on the bike.